This is the reason why your life hasn't changed yet. Not because you don't know what to do, not because you don't have enough time, not because you're waiting for the perfect opportunity. Your life hasn't changed because you're still waiting for motivation, waiting for confidence, waiting for the right moment. But here's the truth, the right moment never comes. Hi, I'm Tux, and this is my journey of becoming the best version of myself. So what is up guys, I'm Tux and this is day 7 of becoming the best version of myself. At ngayong araw na to ay papakita ko sa inyo yung mga workout na ginagawa ko para palakihin ang aking back. Tignan niyo yung back ko. Okay ba? Kita ba yung back? Ayan. Back tall, as you can see. Diba? Yan. Pero bago ang lahat, magluto muna tayo. Hindi ba ako mag-exercise? Pawis na pawis na. Ang init kasi. Isipin mo to. Ilang beses mo na ba sinabi na mag-workout ako bukas? Mag-exercise ako kapag ready na ako. Mag-apply ako kapag meron na akong confidence. Bukas na lang yan. Hanggang sa yung bukas mo naging next month. Yung next month naging next year. Hanggang sa hindi mo namamalayan na hindi ka na pala nakakausad. The scary part isn't failing. Yung nakakatakot yung magstay ka sa isang lugar. Na manatili ka kung sino ka ngayon. Well, hindi naman masama yun, pero eventually kailangan mo rin mag-grow. Ayun yung mga salita na sana narinig ko ng mas maaga. Kasi sa tutuusin lang, ang layo na sana nang narating ko kung sinimulan ko ng maaga. Ang lala ng procrastination ko, to the point na ang tagal kong na-stuck sa isang lugar. Puro ako plano, puro ako ganto, puro ako ganyan, hanggang sa nakikita ko yung sarili ko na nagpo-procrastinate na lang. Hinihintay ko kasi yung motivation Hinihintay ko na ganahan akong magsimula. Pero mali pala ako. Kasi kailangan ko munang mag-take ng actions bago ako gaganahan sa isang bagay. Or bago mag-hit yung motivation. Hindi naman talaga madali sa umpisa Hindi rin magiging maganda yung unang video na gagawin mo. So, dumating pala yung girlfriend ko and pinagsaluhan namin yung sinigang na niluto ko. Mas gusto ko yung ganitong klase ng date. Yung sa bahay tapos magluluto ako, kakain kami. Alam mo yun, simple lang pero ang saya. Kasi sa totoo lang, ayoko talaga yung gumagala. Like yung pupunta ng mall or pupunta kung san-san. Boring na kung boring pero iniisip ko kasi mas makakatipid kung sa bahay lang. Here's the truth, brothers and sisters. The first step won't change your life overnight, but it will change something. It will prove to yourself that you're no longer the person who only talks about goals. You're becoming the person who actually chases them. And that's where confidence comes from. Not from thinking, not from planning, not from waiting, but from doing. Because every successful person you admire started the same way, unprepared, uncertain, and afraid. But the difference is, they acted anyway. So, kung may binabalak kang gawin, this is your sign to start. Start before you're ready. Start before you feel confident. Start before everything is perfect. Kasi your future isn't built by the decisions you make someday. It's built by the decisions you make today. One action, one step, one choice at a time. The second best time is now. Pakpak ko. Ang tawag dito? Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag yan pero okay rin. Yung pagiging disiplinado, hindi naman siya overnight. Pag pinaktis mo yung pagiging disiplinado ngayon, bukas, discipline ka na. No. Ano siya, may process and hindi siya biglaan. Imagine nyo na lang yung sword. Kailangan niya munang ma-forge sa fire para maano siya, turn into sword. Kailangan siyang pukpukin, kailangan siyang painitan, kailangan siyang palambutin. So, ganun yun. Hindi mo kailangan ng biglaang pagbabago. Unti-untiin natin hanggang sa makamit natin yung better self natin. Kung napagod ka, magpahinga. Libre lang yun. Work hard ka ng work hard pero hindi ka nagpapahinga. Yung mababurnout ka lang nun. And always drink water. Or hydrate yourself.
Maraming salamat sa panonood, and this is day 7 of becoming the best version of myself.